Hi, it's Richard Hughes with the Hughes Law Firm. With me today is John Campbell. John is of counsel to the Hughes Law Firm and is going to help us answer some really important questions today. One of the most important questions we hear all the time is Medicaid. How do we qualify for this program that helps people pay for long-term care costs? In other words, a program that helps pay for nursing home bills that can run $7,000 to $8,000 to $9,000 a month. How would one qualify for that amazing benefit?
Well, there are three tests that you have to pass in order to qualify. First of all is a functional needs test. You must require either significant supervision, for instance, a person with dementia who wanders, or you have to require assistance with your activities of daily living. The second test is the income test. You're not supposed to make any more than $2,130 a month in countable income.
How much?
$2,130.
All right.
And then there's an asset test. You're not supposed to, for an individual, have countable assets more than $2,000. If you meet all of those tests, then you should qualify.
So you've got where you live, what your health is like, and what kind of money you have or don't have. All those three go together to see whether or not you can qualify for Medicaid.
That's right.
But what happens if your income happens to be over that 2,000 and change limit you just talked about?
Well, there's a difference in treatment between that income cap and that resource or asset cap. The asset cap is inflexible. $1 over, they deny the application. The income cap is a little different. There's a special type of trust called a Miller Trust or an income trust that we can use here in Colorado to help qualify people whose income is higher than the $2,130 a month, but it's lower than the average monthly cost of nursing home care in their region of the state. For instance, in Denver, that number is just a little over $7,500 a month. So we could actually get income over that $2,130, but less than the $7,500, and still be okay on the income side.
Wow, so that gives a great opportunity for folks that have this higher income to not be discouraged. They could still perhaps get Medicaid's help even though they're over that $2,130 level, correct?
That's right.
And soon we'll talk about what the exempt resources are and the non-exempt resources are, so people can figure out what they need to be thinking about when it comes to qualifying on the asset side. So stay tuned.